Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 300 administrative officer post vacancy in the New India Assurance Company Limited. Eligibility: graduate, postgraduate in any discipline, 60% marks in either of the degree examination for general candidates. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 21 September 2021. Application fees 750 and Rs 100 for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Salary: basic pay of 32,795. Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited vacancy for senior operative trainee, walking roller furnace operator, hot cold leveler operator, junior assistant, junior security inspector, junior operative trainee, fitter, electrical, turner, diesel mechanic, crane operator, ladleman. Eligibility: 10th, ITI, diploma, BA, BSc, BCom. Age limit: 30 years for junior operative trainee and charge operator, 35 years for senior operative trainee, walking furnace operator, hot cold leveler operator, junior assistant, junior security inspector, refractory mason. Last date for application 18 September. एम्स रायपुर वैकेंसी फॉर प्रोफेसर, एडिशनल प्रोफेसर, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर एंड असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर. Eligibility: MD, MS, DM, MCH with experience. Age limit maximum 58 years for professor and additional professor, 50 years for associate professor and assistant professor. Last date for application 4 October 2021. Salary: level 14A for professor, level 13A2 for additional professor, level 13A1 for associate professor. 53 professor, associate professor, assistant professor, deputy registrar, assistant registrar, controller of examination, assistant controller of examination post vacancy in Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for women. Eligibility: BE, BTech, BS, ME, MTech, MS, PhD or master degree. Apply date 10 September 2021 to 4 October 2021 and send hard copy of the documents up to 11 October 2021. Age limit maximum 55 years for professor and controller of examination, 50 years for associate professor, 45 years for deputy registrar, 35 years for assistant professor, assistant registrar and assistant controller of examination. 20 junior research fellowship post vacancy in Center for Airborne Systems. Eligibility: BE or BTech in aeronautical engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering with GATE 2020 or 2021 score. Age limit maximum 28 years. Application process: send soft copy of application in prescribed application format in the DRDO website with scanned copies of all documents in a single PDF to the email ID jrf.rctt@cabs.drdo.in on or before 25 September 2021. Stipend Rs 31,000 per month. 8 field engineer post vacancy in SJVN Limited. Eligibility: BE or BTech in electrical engineering, mechanical engineering with experience. Age limit maximum 30 years. Apply date between 1 September 2021 to 21 September 2021 and send hard copy of the documents up to 11 October 2021. Scientific Officer C and D post vacancy in Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Eligibility: MBBS with postgraduate diploma in hospital administration, BVSC and AH. Age limit maximum 40 years for Scientific Officer D and 35 years for Scientific Officer C. Last date for application 11 September 2021. Salary: 67,700 for Scientific Officer D, 56,100 for Scientific Officer C per month. 3 cook, 1 carpenter, 1 ranch chowkidar, 2 barber post vacancy in Jat Regimental Center, Bareilly, Kent. Eligibility: 10th, ITI in carpenter, diploma in cooking. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure: offline. Application should reach the office on or before 25 September 2021. NIELT Haridwar admission course for cloud computing, big data analysis, machine learning using Python, web application development using Apache, MySQL, PHP, Internet of Things using Arduino, deep learning using Python, MATLAB programming, Android application development, web designing, Java programming. Eligibility: BE, BTech, MCA, graduate with PGDCA or PGDIT. Session September-October 2021. Last date for application 12 September 2021. Course fees Rs 1200 for Android application development, web designing, Java programming, programming in Python, AutoCAD, and Rs 1600 for the rest. You can check all the job details in my blog website, where you will get direct link to apply online and official advertisement. Link of my blog website is given below in the description box. Thanks for watching till the end.